Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out team stats of a particular match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then click on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Select a league and then tap on scores at the top, then select the date below and select a particular match and then click on it. After that you should tap on the Gamecast button that you will find at the top on the left side. Then scroll down to the bottom until you can find the team stats section. Here you can find field goal, 3-point percentage, total turnovers, rebounds, and if you tap on the full team stats button you will be able to see other aspects. Here you can see very detailed chart including team stats. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.